Welcome to our comprehensive exploration of the salary landscape in Hong Kong for 2024. This vibrant city, known for its unique blend of Eastern and Western influences, continues to be a magnet for businesses and professionals from around the globe. Today, we delve into the nuances of earning potentials in this dynamic market. Hong Kong's economy, a mix of traditional industries and innovative sectors, presents a plethora of opportunities for career growth. In 2024, the average annual salary in Hong Kong is an impressive 439,000 Hong Kong dollars, approximately $55,928. This figure is a testament to the city's robust economy and its competitive job market. Salaries in Hong Kong exhibit a broad range, reflective of various factors. On the lower end, salaries start from HK$9,260 per month, while on the higher end, they soar to HK$163,000 per month. These variations are largely influenced by factors such as experience level, industry sector, educational background, and the geographical location of the job within Hong Kong. A key figure in understanding this salary landscape is the median monthly salary, currently at HK$19,100. This median value provides a more accurate picture of the income distribution, indicating that half of the working population earns below this amount, and the other half earns above it. When we delve into specific industries, the disparities in salaries become even more pronounced. The healthcare and medical industry, for instance, offers an average annual salary of around 725,278 Hong Kong dollars. In contrast, the management and business sector boasts even higher earnings, with average salaries reaching up to 841,201 Hong Kong dollars annually. These figures underscore the significant role that industry choice plays in determining an individual's earning potential in Hong Kong. The minimum wage in Hong Kong, set at 40 Hong Kong dollars per hour, is a critical factor for part-time and entry-level jobs. However, the average hourly wage across all sectors stands much higher, at about 210 Hong Kong dollars, highlighting the overall well-compensated nature of Hong Kong's workforce. Education remains a pivotal factor in salary determination in Hong Kong. Individuals holding a bachelor's degree earn, on average, 24% more than those with only a diploma. This gap in earnings becomes even more pronounced with higher levels of educational attainment, reflecting the high value placed on formal education in the job market. Experience in one's field is another critical driver of salary. In Hong Kong, professionals with 2 to 5 years of experience typically earn 32% more than those just starting out in their careers. This salary growth is indicative of the value placed on experienced professionals and the opportunities for career advancement in the city. Examining specific job titles sheds light on the diverse opportunities available. For instance, a software engineer in Hong Kong can expect to earn around 689,248 Hong Kong dollars annually. In comparison, a marketing manager's annual earnings are about 739,322 Hong Kong dollars. These figures highlight the lucrative opportunities that exist across various sectors. An intriguing aspect of Hong Kong's job market is the comparison between public and private sector salaries. Employees in the public sector typically earn about 10% more than those in the private sector. This trend is an important consideration for job seekers, particularly those valuing job security and benefits often associated with government positions. For businesses considering outsourcing to Hong Kong, several advantages stand out. The city's government policies are highly supportive of business, fostering a conducive environment for growth. Coupled with a fast-growing economy and a friendly immigration policy, Hong Kong becomes an attractive destination for global businesses. Additionally, the cost of living, while relatively high, is offset by the competitive salaries and comprehensive social services. As we progress through 2024, understanding the salary landscape in Hong Kong becomes increasingly crucial for both employers and employees. The city's unique position as a global financial hub and its reputation for having a diverse talent pool continue to make it a destination of choice for professionals worldwide. Hong Kong's job market is evolving, adapting to global economic trends and technological advancements. The city's resilience and adaptability are reflected in its salary structures, which continue to attract top talent from around the world. In conclusion, Hong Kong's salary landscape in 2024 offers a complex yet rewarding scenario for those willing to navigate its nuances. From industry-specific trends to the impact of education and experience, multiple factors contribute to determining one's earning potential in this vibrant city. Thank you for joining us in this deep dive into Hong Kong's salaries. We hope this exploration has provided valuable insights for your career or business decisions. Remember to stay tuned for more updates and insights. Like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Your support helps us bring you more comprehensive guides like this. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.